Hi, Polly.
Hi, Joy.
What's up?
Oh, I'm getting my pictures taken and I'm a little scared.
Well, how come?
Well,
The camera doesn't look like another dog?
no.
You like other dogs.
I do. I got two in my kennel out there.
I know you have doggy friends.
Yeah, and I got a bath yesterday.
Oh, let's see. Oh, how did that go?
Oh, it was good. I got a massage, too.
Oh, no, I didn't know Becky was giving massages these days.
Yeah, I was enjoying it so much she didn't stop.
Do you like toys?
I love toys.
Good.
And I like my kennel mates.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And what about silly Toby that's down here trying to get in the toy bin?
Oh, he's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a
Good.
little dirty.
He's dirty?
Yeah, he needs a bath, Becky.
It's been raining. Okay, gotta go.
All right, bye.